Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I have a little project. I've been meaning to revive this plant. I mean, it looks beautiful, but for some reason this side here is dead. So I've had it for like about almost 3 years already, and I'm not a plant person, so I don't store any potting mix in my house. I had to buy this huge bag. Well, you know what? It's funny because the bag is huge, but you know that the soil comes up to here. But anyway, I don't store any of this in my home because I don't have any plants. The plants that I have, and they're nice, they're artificial, but this is the only real plant that I have, and they gave it to me as a gift. But you know, I had to buy this big bag to kind of save this plant. So I'm going to transfer this into this that I have here. So hopefully this will revive. I'm not sure, but let's see what I can do here. So let's open this bag. I'm gonna let you look at it from here so you can see everything. I'm gonna get my scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting some soil in there. Oh, a little mosquito came out of the bag. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna fill it up to here first, and then I'm going to try to transfer the entire thing. Let's see if it comes out. Yep, the entire thing comes out right in there. I don't know about this, but let's see. So now I have to fill it up a little more on the sides. This is still a little bit too small. I'm gonna have to get something wider so that the plant could have space on the side, but I have to fill this part up. Alrighty, let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna look for something else to place this on top like that so that you can see what I'm doing. Right there. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little cup. Okay, so this is gonna go here on the sides. Especially on the sides, on this side where I have my hands, right there. Right here on the sides, fill it up there. I hope this part revives. I'm not sure if it will. And fill it up a little more on this side. Okay, I think that's enough. I think that's enough. I'm going to show it to you in a minute so that you can see. Right there, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of water. Just a little bit for now. And of course, these are dusty. They were sitting on the window ledge, so they're a little bit dusty, but they look healthy. It's just that this part, like I said, this was dead. So hopefully now that I gave it some soil, this will revive. Let's see. So hopefully it does. I think it looks a lot better in here than here. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. Oh, and I bought this for $7 at one of those hobby stores. $7. And of course, you know, the soil comes up to here. How many ounces is this? Let me see. I don't see how much really comes in here. I know there's an area where it says how much is in here. Oh, right here. Oops. Net weight. You see it? 3.75 pounds for $7. So I wonder if that's reasonable, because remember, I never buy this. Alright, well, I think that this is it. I'll see you in another video, and thank you so much for watching.